Catherine Stone from Injury Florida Law Firm has teamed up with a local business to help people in need of food this holiday season. And she's back with a special guest to discuss this new program that they're working on together. Welcome back, Catherine.
Thank you.
Love when you're here. And I'm impressed. You just now started your own law firm, and one of the first things you're doing, giving back to the community.
Well, you know, I love to help people. That's what I do every day, is to help, you know, injured people who've been injured or people who can't go back to work. And it was very important to me to make sure that my firm was giving back in other areas as well. So I've teamed up with some local businesses, and Lori Santaseri from Keller Williams is here to talk about this great program that some local businesses are doing in the Tampa Bay area to feed needy families.
Okay, Lori, take it away. What are you doing?
Well, so my office, I'm with Keller Williams, South Tampa. My team leader and I got together and decided, you know, we needed to do something to give back to our community.
Yeah.
I myself know what it's like to struggle and what it's like to go hungry. So I was like, let's sponsor some families this year. So for Thanksgiving, we were able to sponsor 18 families, which was amazing. It was a little sad. I was like, oh, it's going to be a happy occasion. And it was, but it was very emotional. Very grateful people. But we didn't get as many submissions as we would have liked to get. So that's why we're here, so we can get the word out so more people can send in submissions for families that need help, because we're hoping to sponsor at least 100 families for Christmas.
Oh, wow.
Catherine here has decided that she's going to help out with some families, and I've already marketed to some other KW agents, and they've decided, yep, I'm going to help. So we're collecting money up until the 14th, and we're collecting the submissions up until the 14th as well, so we can go through them and have them delivered by the 20th.
And tell them how to submit nominations.
So we set up an email address. It's nobodylefthungry@gmail.com.
Okay.
And you can just send in your submission that way. Just tell us a little bit about the family. Everything is anonymous. So when we do deliver the gift cards, it's just going to be somebody that cares about you, thought you could benefit from this.
I love that.
So
I guess it's almost kind of a good thing that you don't have that. You're trying to get more submissions versus trying to get people to help. That shows that there's more people willing to give, which is a great thing to see.
Exactly. Our office has really come together. We do a lot of benefits this year. We're doing a toy drive for families, and we're also doing for the Women's Center, collecting clothing so they can have clothes to go on interviews and stuff with.
Just out of curiosity, what do you want people to keep in mind when it does come to those families who may need, like you said, just kind of a good gesture is something to keep in mind?
I'm not sure I understand your question.
What kind of families do you think would qualify? What do you want people out there to know as far as the families that you're looking to help?
So some of the families that we had for Thanksgiving, one of them was a single mom with 3 kids. That she had worked 2 jobs, just making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck, and it was just simply, here's a little something extra to help you. We had another family that didn't even have beds to sleep on, you know, so we did donate beds to them as well. That way they had beds to sleep in. And we had a grandmother taking care of her 3 grandchildren, you know, just people that have fallen on hard times that are trying their best, but it's just not quite enough.
And I like how you said right in the beginning, that goes hand to hand with what you try to do with your firm.
Exactly, every day. And I'm going to put some submissions in as well from some people that I know.
So how can people give? Say they want to be able to help out with this program. They love what you're able to do. Where can people go?
So they can email me, or they can stop by our office. If they email me, I can send them the address and everything. But we are local here to South Tampa off of Henderson. We have a box set up to where you can buy either a $50 gift card to Publix, or you can just drop some money in there so we can use that to buy the gift cards.
So either way, looking for submissions or always people willing to give.
Yes.
Thank you to the both of you. Catherine, we appreciate it. It's always good to have you here, and glad that you're already giving back. If you want more information, or if you've got legal questions, of course, for Catherine, be sure and get a hold of Injury Florida Law Firm today. Thank you to the both of you. We appreciate it.